Welcome to the Lantern Light AI Newscast number 16. Big leaps for brains, robots and stars. Made by Chris Morley of Lantern Light AI with Love and AI Magic, in Boston, on Friday, April 24, 2026 at 8:03 a.m. UTC. The future of clean energy inches closer as U.S. fusion power plant plans move forward, and space weather forecasting gets a major upgrade that could protect everything from satellites to power grids. Meanwhile, non-invasive brain wearables and interfaces are hitting new milestones on the road to everyday use. Apple is rolling out visionOS 2.4 packed with Apple Intelligence features, and Waymo's permit to operate in New York City has expired. First up, nuclear fusion news from around the world. Plans for a commercial nuclear fusion power plant in the United States are underway following recent breakthroughs in the field. The U.S. Department of Energy has been central to advancing these efforts, with officials including Energy Secretary Jennifer Granholm highlighting progress toward making fusion-generated electricity a reality. Fusion, which powers the sun by fusing hydrogen atoms to release enormous energy, has long been pursued as a clean and virtually limitless power source. Unlike conventional nuclear plants, fusion produces no long-lived radioactive waste, making it an attractive option as governments worldwide search for low-carbon energy alternatives. Next, a major story from the world of research. Scientists at the National Center for Atmospheric Research announced a significant improvement in solar storm prediction models, giving power grid operators and satellite managers potentially hours of additional warning before damaging geomagnetic events strike Earth. The updated system uses real-time solar wind data combined with machine learning to sharpen forecast accuracy. Researchers say the advance could reduce economic losses from space weather disruptions, which cost billions of dollars globally each year. The findings were published this week and are already drawing interest from space agencies and telecommunications companies looking to protect critical infrastructure. Now, a top science and technology headline. Researchers at the University of Technology, Sydney have developed a portable, non-invasive system capable of decoding silent thoughts, marking a notable step forward in wearable brain-computer interface technology. The device works without surgical implants, reading neural signals through external sensors. Scientists in the field say that more than 5 decades of brain-computer interface research have brought the technology to a point where communication between humans and external systems is becoming increasingly practical. Analysts tracking the sector expect the market for non-invasive neural interfaces to expand significantly in the coming years as miniaturization and signal processing improvements continue. Coming up, the latest in AR, VR spatial computing. Apple has released visionOS 2.4, bringing Apple Intelligence features to the Vision Pro headset. The update includes a new spatial gallery experience and integrates the company's private cloud compute infrastructure, which handles certain processing tasks off-device when needed. Some capabilities run entirely on the headset itself, while more demanding requests are routed to Apple's servers. The release marks one of the more significant software updates to Vision Pro since the device launched, expanding the platform's artificial intelligence features in line with what Apple has already rolled out on iPhone and Mac. After that, one more story from the lab and the field. Researchers at Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory announced in November 2024 a new high-resolution neural recording method capable of detecting brain activity through the skull without surgery, marking a significant step for non-invasive brain-computer interfaces. The field has been pushing hard to move beyond laboratory settings, with wearable EEG systems such as G.Tech, SFDA-cleared G. Nautilus PRO now certified for clinical use. Deep learning models are also improving signal accuracy, helping to filter out muscle noise and boost performance. Analysts say demand for wearable neural devices is rising as medical and consumer applications expand beyond research environments. And finally, autonomous vehicles, ground from the wider world. Waymo's permit to provide public robotaxi rides in New York City has expired, marking a setback for the company's ambitions in one of the world's most congested urban markets. The development comes as the broader autonomous vehicle industry is pushing into new territory. Caterpillar and sensor company Luminaire announced a partnership to bring self-driving technology to construction sites, aiming to automate heavy equipment in demanding environments. Meanwhile, policy discussions are advancing around autonomous operation on rural roads and in harsh weather conditions, suggesting the sector is moving well beyond controlled urban pilot zones.
Today's program is brought to you by Lantern Light AI. Please note that Chris Morley is a seasoned software architect currently available for inquiries seeking help using AI to build, run and maintain modern web applications, cloud systems, databases, streaming data pipelines, search engines, interactive 3D graphics as well as other high-performance software services at scale. If the avatar or the newscast format interests you and you would like to see something like this customized for your business use case, please email Chris Morley at chris.morley@lanternlight.ai. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe and share with your friends. More science, tech and AI news coming soon. Hit like, subscribe and tell your friends. Thanks for watching.